You've learned that there are L, R, and S blends. Now you will learn that there are two extra blends. They are DW and TW. We will also discuss QU because it has a similar sound. Let's get started. Read these sentences. Click the Next button when you are finished. Now, click on the words you hear. Ready? Twig. Twig. Nicely done. Twists. Twists. Nice. Twin. Twin. Well done. Now, as I say a word, click on the sound you hear. Does the word have the sound of TW, DW, or QU? Twice. Twice. That's correct. Twist. Twist. Good. Quiet. Quiet. Great. Dwell. Dwell. Nice work. Tweed. Tweed. Good. Quest. Quest. Good job. Dwindle. Dwindle. Nice job. Now type the blend you hear in each word. Dwell. Dwell. Correct. Twill. Twill. No, give it another try. Correct. Quill. Quill. Nice job. Quest. Quest. You've got it. Twist. Twist. Nice. Dwelt. Dwelt. You've got it. Now type the blend you hear in these nonsense words. Ready? Dwut. Dwut. Right. Quep. Quep. Great job. Dwex. Dwex. No, try again. Great. Twef. Twef. Great job. Queb. Queb. Nice work. In this lesson, you will learn about two extra blends, DW and TW. Like the other blends, these blends are joined with an arc. The sound of QU is similar to the DW and TW blends. You can slide from a blend to any vowel to practice slides. Let's join the extra blends with the vowel I and read them together. Ready? Twi. Dwe. Qui. Read these slides. Twi. Dwe. Qui. Now let's add an ending sound to these slides to form words. Read these words. Twin. Dwell. Quit. Great. Now let's practice marking some words that have extra blends and QU in them. To mark this word, work left to right. You'll mark the blend first and then the vowel. Mark this word. That's right. You've got it. Now read the word. Twin. Mark this word. Great job. Well done. Now read it. quiz. Now mark this word. Very good. Very good. Now read it. Twig. Mark this word. Well done. Great job. Now read it. Quit.
Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice selecting blends. You will hear some words that have a blend in them. Click on the button that has the sound of the blend you hear. For example, in the word twig, which blend do you hear? Twig. You hear a TW blend. So click on the button marked TW. Try this on your own. Twig. That's correct. Quarter. Well done. Twin. Good job. Twist. Right. Dwindle. Great. Dwarf. Nice job. Quake. Right. Tweed. Right. Dwell. Great job. Quaint. Nice work. Choose this activity to practice finding words that begin with DW, TW, and QU within a group of letters. You will see a group of letters. Within the group of letters is a word that begins with DW, TW, or QU. Move the bar to find the word. Click the next button when you are finished. Find the word twist. Good job! Now read the slide. Twist. Quick. You did it. Now read the slide. Quick. Queen. You did it. Now read the slide. Queen. Dwarf. You got it. Now read the slide. Dwarf. Quiet. That's correct. Now read the slide. Quiet. Twice. Correct. Now read the slide. Twice. Dwell. Nice job. Now read the slide. Dwell. Twinkle. Great job. Now read the slide. Twinkle. Dwindle. Good job. Now read the slide. Dwindle. Quest. Very good. Now read the slide. Quest. Choose this activity to practice matching sounds to words with blends. Match the spoken form of the word on the left with its spelling on the right. Click on the spoken form and then click on the spelling to draw a line between them. Queen. You got it. Twist. Nicely done. Quit. Nicely done. Dwell. Nice work. Tweak. Great job. Dwarf. You did it. Quarry. Correct. Twine. Nice. Twirl. That's right. Quake. Good.
You have completed all the required activities. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on